Hello, and welcome to our video on CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate. Cooking can be a hassle, especially when you have limited space or no access to a gas or induction cooktop. But, with the CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate, you can cook your favorite meals without any fuss. In this video, we will take a closer look at this fantastic appliance and show you how it can make your life easier. CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate is a compact and portable appliance that can be your perfect cooking partner. It's ideal for those who live in small apartments, dorm rooms, or offices where space is a premium. This electric burner hot plate is also an excellent option for camping, traveling, or outdoor activities. It's easy to use and doesn't require any installation, making it a hassle-free appliance. The CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate features a 7.4-inch heating plate that heats up quickly and evenly. It comes with 7 thermostatically controlled settings that allow you to adjust the temperature according to your cooking needs. You can use this electric burner to boil water, fry eggs, cook pasta, or sauté vegetables. The hot plate is made of durable stainless steel, which is easy to clean and maintain. It has non-slip rubber feet that provide stability and prevent it from slipping. The CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate also has an automatic safety shutoff feature that turns off the appliance after 60 seconds of inactivity. The hot plate is made of durable stainless steel, which is easy to clean and maintain. It has non-slip rubber feet that provide stability and prevent it from slipping. The CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate also has an automatic safety shutoff feature that turns off the appliance after 60 seconds of inactivity. Thank you for watching our video on CUSIMAX electric burner hot plate. We hope this video has helped you to understand the features and benefits of this fantastic appliance. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this.